Here is my 2018 Santa Cruz Tallboy CC. It is a 29er wannabe XE race trail bike. It's loaded with the Shimano components and Mavic Crossmax XE Elite wheel set. A Thompson Elite seat post and a WTB saddle, nothing special there. There is also the GoPro saddle mount to catch the rear action. 720mm race face bars with ESI extra chunky grips make the bulk of my cockpit. Shimano Diori brake levers and Shimano Diori shifting levers make up the rest. My stem is a 100mm 35-degree Origin 8. The drivetrain is made up of a 34-tooth absolute oval with an 11-speed KMC gold chain. My cassette is a 11-speed 1142 Shimano XT. I also have XT Diori crankset, and there's my bike. There you have a close-up of my Origin 8 slammed stem that I just got, coach's orders, and there you go.